Ninth one, write a Python program to sort a tuple by its float element. Okay, sorting, we have to sort this floating elements. If you take the sample data, so check here floating elements 12.0, 115.10, 24.5. So we have to access these elements and we have to sort the elements. Okay, descending order will sort it. Okay, descending order means 24.5, 15.10, 12.0. We have to, how you sort it. Okay, so using sorted function and lambda or function, we can sort this one simply. What we'll see with an example here. I already did this one. So you observe, we'll sample list we have taken here. Okay, list of tuples sample you have taken a comma 12.20, b comma 15.10, c comma 24.5. So we have to access these floating elements and we have to sort that. Okay, how you sort these floating elements here. Okay, simple using sorted function. Sorted function takes three arguments. First one is the iterable object. Okay, iterable one, list or tuple or whatever. And the second argument is a lambda function. The third one is whether it is reverse, whether you want to assign as descending or ascending. Okay, by default it takes ascending. If you want descending order, you have to make it reverse equal to true here. Okay, and second is the anonymous function here. Okay, lambda function. Function is also called as anonymous function. Lambda function can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. See lambda function. Okay, arguments. This is syntax here. Lambda arguments expression here. Okay, key is equal to lambda arguments colon expression here. Okay, arguments colon expression. You can take any number of arguments, but expression should be one. Okay, here. Okay, so if you want to access these elements, floating elements, okay, the position of the index of the floating element position is one here. Okay, to access this in one index, you have to write like this one float x of one. Okay, if you want to access a, you have to write x of zero here. Okay, but we have to change the floating elements only. So we have to write x of one here. That's the argument here. You can name it any argument name here. Y also you can make it y or z or whatever you can. So arguments colon expression here. Okay, float of x of one here. Okay, so that we can access these individual elements, floating elements, reverse equal to by decreasing order. It will assign it. Okay. First argument is the iterable one. Which iterable you want to descending order, which object you want to descending order. Okay, this is sorted function. We have to make it. Okay, sorted function using anonymous lambda function. Okay, so using these two, we can start the floating elements here. Let's give the output here. Okay, 24.5, 15.10, 12.20. Okay, if you take out this reverse equal to, this is optional one. Okay, no need. If you take this reverse equal to, so it will be in ascending order. Okay, it will be in ascending order. 12.20, 15 means default ascending order only, but it takes ascending order. Okay, if you want descending order, you have to make 24 point reverse equal to comma here, reverse equal to true here. Okay, first object is a iterable object, and second argument is a sorry, first argument is iterable object, second argument is a lambda anonymous function. Okay, key is equal to lambda anonymous function, lambda arguments key arguments colon expression. Okay, arguments can be in number of expression only one expression here. Okay, that's simple here.